Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable silent audio tracks in Adobe Audition step by step clearly. Launch Adobe Audition on your computer. Open the audio project where you want to disable silent audio tracks. In the multi-track view, locate the audio tracks listed in the track panel. Select the audio track that you suspect may contain silent audio. Play the track using the spacebar to listen for any silence. If you identify silent sections, pause the playback. Navigate to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Select Amplitude and Compression from the drop-down menu. Choose Normalize to manage audio levels. In the Normalize window, set the desired dB levels. Click Apply to normalize the selected audio track. Now, go back to the track panel and right-click on the audio track. Choose Remove Silence from the context menu. Adjust the settings in the Remove Silence dialog box. You can change the threshold and duration to capture silence accurately. Click OK to remove the silent audio sections. Review the remaining audio to ensure the quality is maintained. Repeat this process for any additional tracks containing silent sections. Save your project to preserve the changes made. You have successfully disabled silent audio tracks in Adobe Audition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.